What's up, guys? Bruno Aponte here. Super excited to be here with you guys. I'm finally back after like this 2-week break or so. I had a lot of client work going on, so I couldn't get around to doing some designs for you guys. But I know you guys are really gonna enjoy this one. It's like a cyberpunk sort of feel, inspired art. It was also inspired by Benny Productions, so shout out to him for the inspo. Let's get right into things.
Don't let me fall for your games. You set me up, then put me down. Wanna move on, wish I could forget your name, girl. No, you better not fuck with me. Cause all I have left's loving you unconditionally. If you don't feel the same, I'll take it personally. FaceTime, be facing the music. Don't waste time, it makes you confusing. What's on your mind? I'm tired of excuses. I'm tired of you fucking around and speaking codes. Every day's the same old episode. Maybe you should calm down and take it slow. Maybe we should take a break, you need all the time to grow. Can't be faking the smile, you ain't a pro. I'm not good with goodbyes, just let me go. Maybe this is a sign, shit, I suppose. Maybe this is advice I should've known. Don't let me fall for your game. You set me up, then put me down. Wanna move on, wish I could forget your name, girl. No. Everything I did was out of love and you knew. And you built up these walls and I was trying to break through. Now you know I had to make do. Then you started acting brand new. The minute I open my arms again, you got someone else to run to. How many times a nigga gotta tell you I'm down with all these hoes? How many lies you gotta tell a nigga you bound to get exposed? You had too many dimes and Bella Rose, saying shit on the phone that you never saying at home. Things are getting too hard, out of control. Losing my train of thought over Patron. Tired of you fucking around and speaking codes. Every day's the same old episode. Maybe you should calm down and take it slow. Maybe we should take a break, you need all the time to grow. Can't be faking the smile, you ain't a pro. I'm not good with goodbyes, just let me go. Maybe this is a sign, shit, I suppose. Maybe this is advice I should've known. Don't let me fall for your games. You set me up, then put me down. Wanna move on, wish I could forget your name, girl. No.
Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Drop a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll be doing a better job next week of posting on time and giving you guys something to see. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.